Hey yo yo, what it do, folks, ladies and gentlemen? We are back and we are better than ever. I don't know if y'all want to hear some. Did I not trade this account? I guess I didn't. Either way, we are gonna be trading some accounts today. Gonna be a little bit aggressive with the trades. We have rolled over on the contracts, so we are no longer on, I think, June contracts. We are now officially on September contracts. So if you have not rolled over, make sure you have done so, because you are not going to be trading the right contract and you don't want to be stuck on the bad side. Let's see, where do we open up? 1700. Opened up here, over here now. Yeah, I mean, here's kind of a mess. Sorry, folks. Got out the shower at 8 and I'm here. So it looks like I just woke up, but I swear I did not just wake up. I've been awake for a hot minute. Also got a payout too on 2 accounts in the amount of $36.57. So super happy for that. $3,657 that got approved. So I can't be mad there. Sorry, folks, I had to adjust my camera. I was doing some recording over the weekend. If you haven't seen my last video, definitely go check it out. But looking at the chart here, looks like we're breaking out, but I don't know how much I trust it. We've already sold a hard one, so I don't think we're gonna get that. Maybe we continue going up. So if it chops here, holds up here, maybe forms some consolidation around this 20 to 30 area, then look for a take back above the highs to try to get back up here. On the day though, if we look at the daily chart, I think we are approaching all-time highs again, but we still have this huge gap. I mean, that's a 200-point gap basically. That's pretty wild. And look at this gap here. When did we feel it? It just came crashing down. So are we going to get the same thing here, or do we get a double top first and then we teeter back down? Is the ultimate question. I am going to be aggressive today. This is the account that I'm trading. I don't have much left on it, so I am going to be aggressive when I am trading this. I'm going to wait for a good entry. 3-minute. What is this? Oh. Huh. I'm not trying to log back in. What are you, crazy? But either way, yeah, I mean, things are good. But I am going to celebrate taking the payout. But now that I've celebrated it, you know what it means now? It means that we go back to the grind. If there's something about trading that, I guess it doesn't suck. I'm not complaining about it. But one thing is that when you take a payout, I'll just put it this way. Celebrate your successes. Even if you just take a $500 payout, that is still a payout. Enjoy it, relish in it, but don't relish in it too long, because you don't want it to overtake your brain. There's what we call post-payout syndrome. Post-payout syndrome degeneracy, where after you get a payout, you just kind of fall apart because you got money. And it's true. You made a payout, so you're super excited, so you're not really like, oh, sorry, if I lose an account, it's fine. I have money now. No, you don't want that. You want to be smart. And now I am about to do some degenerate stuff here, but that's because I have not much left on these accounts. Which accounts am I trading? I guess I can pull up the accounts. Positions. No, I don't want the positions. I want accounts. So I'm going to have to be checking which accounts I have left. and trade those properly. All right, so 104. And 101. Alright, so these two are the ones that I need to be trading. So this is the one that I want to try to get back. I have about $1,000 left to draw down on it, so don't really like this move. We're kind of just going up and going up, but I think it might be good for us to maybe target 10 points to the downside. See if we can get this to flush back here and just hold a little bit more consolidation before market wants to move up. We've just been stair-stepping since what? Lows are 527, and then we've just been stair-stepping up. Ugh, ugly. I want to talk about an ugly move. This is what I'm talking about when I say ugly. So will we get 10 points back down here? I think might be a bit of a stretch, to be honest. We're moving on up. Looks like the bulls are holding out. Had a little bit of resistance here, so it is right now. I think Asia has officially opened, because I can't get the quite exact time down for Asia session. But I do know that it doesn't open right at the open of the futures market, which is depending on where you're at. On East Coast, it opens at 6 p.m. Eastern. And I don't think that's the official open of Asia. I think Asia is around like 8 or something, 2 hours after. So it's like a little pre-market to Asia. Seeing some good resistance. On the 5-minute chart though, on the 8 EMA, they are bouncing off the 8 EMA, holding it as perfect as support as possible, which is kind of crazy if you ask me. So they're trying to bounce off of it again. Unfortunately, I wish I had my VWAP, but it's not here today. So yeah, there's that. My VWAP ain't here today, folks. It's kind of grandfathered in because I got it before Tradeovate came out and was like, hey, we're going to require you to pay for this if you want it. And so they didn't really get rid of it from my board. Sometimes it's here, sometimes it's not. Oh, what just happened? 22, 1 point away. Wow. Talk about tragic. Tragic. Come on. You gotta be kidding me. 1 point away? Guys, you can't make this up. It's like it's allergic. Oh my goodness, this is so frustrating. It's allergic to my TP. I'm short in case you're wondering, so I'm wanting the market to go down. Oh, what the heck was that, dude? It couldn't just come down one more point. But now that it's going up, I'm more than likely going to get stopped out on this. Oh well. Man, dude. Oh, that's such a bummer. 1 point away. ES is breaking out. Wanting to move on up. Man, what a bummer. Oh. Alright. come back down. Come on. I'm definitely not an emotional trader at all, guys. I'm 100% not emotional. I have all my emotions under control. I could never fall port. I could never be degen. I am one with the market. No, I'm just kidding. Anybody out there claims to be a non-emotional trader, I call a lie. Everybody's emotional. The thing is, when you win big, you got to make sure you win big. And when you lose, you just got to lose small. If you win big, your wins have to wipe out your losses over time. Really just find your edge. I don't know if you guys have seen my previous video. If you haven't seen it, I published it yesterday. Definitely go check it out. But I talk a little bit about finding your edge in the video there. And when it comes to trading, finding your edge is definitely going to be the biggest key component. Because when you find your edge, it's such a crucial piece to like finding some success as a day trader. Because once I found out my edge, okay, come on. You're not about to do this to me, are you? It only filled me in one? No, give me the full freaking... Give me it. Come on. No. Dog, what is this? What is this? It's literally playing with me, toying with me right now. Go down. Give me the full TP, piece of dirt. There we go. Thank you. Jeez. What is this freaking crap, dude? Alright. Maybe I'll switch to the other one now. How much do I have left in this? You guys saw that, dude. Oh, gosh. That is so frustrating. Like, come on. Oh, 100. We don't have... Wait. Why does this only have... Oh, because I brought it back. I forgot. Okay. Oh. I'm switching accounts here. Made $400, so maybe I think I might try to be smart. Maybe I'll just try to bring that one back. I really don't want to lose it. Let's continue with this short here, shall we? I'm risking big. I'm going for the home record right here. We're falling down. Let's see if we can continue. We're not gonna catch this knife. We're gonna go with the knife. We're gonna fall with the waterfall. We're gonna go with the flow. Go with the flow. Go with the flow. Just keep swimming. Just keep swimming. Hey, that was on like 3 seconds, Disney. You can't copyright me here. You can't copy me. You can't copyright me for that. You can't get me for that. No. Alright, looking to just take continuation of the short here. If it flips up and it goes up, then that's deuces to my account. Peace to the Middle East, but see if we can get this bottom. There we go. Folks, we are just... What an incredible sell. We're just moving on down. Taking that. And you might be wondering, why did you take that, Lee? The market's going up. And I'll tell you this. I've been trading the market for... I've been trading for a little bit over 5 years now. I think it's 5 years. Yeah, a little bit, maybe 5 years. So maybe I think this is my 5th year. And I've just seen so many patterns with the trading now that I kind of just tend to recognize. I'm all price action. Now, I do have indicators, like you have pivot points, but to be honest, I'm just trading off of pure price action. I've kind of seen some patterns with the candlestick patterns that I recognize. So obviously this could have just very well flipped up, right? But this is the thing. It's the setup I see, and I'm going to take the setup that I see. So whatever happens, like I said, when you find your edge, if this would have taken me out, cool. It would have taken me out, but there was just so many, like a lot of strings selling down that I don't think we were going to flip here because it closed here and we just kind of teetered. So being in the middle of this range here, I did not expect it, or I didn't think it was going to go up. You see this kind of pattern. What I've seen is, all right, we've already seen us dump, so we might do it again. Well, I don't know how to explain it. It's just like a trader's intuition. Now the question is, can I keep this account now though, right? That was a good trade, but just because that was a good trade doesn't mean that's the end of be all. I'm looking to see if I can make a G here, but I don't know if I want to rush it. We're up 403, which is not bad. Probably could have taken another short right up at my other entry here too, but maybe the move is just to be smart, because I have now $1,300 of drawdown back in these two, so slowly getting these accounts kind of back up, which is great. Also, I took the short there too because I like an ES, and ES is just falling down. So we're gonna be coming back down to these lows now, Asian lows. Realistically though, we're kind of just in this little range up here. Next level, if they break 3760, you got this void down here to basically, there's one level of support, and here's the next level. So if they do break 800s, probably target down here, and if they don't hold here, they keep falling, good chance they come down here. But doesn't mean that that's gonna happen, because they're now really in another support zone right here. So they might be trying to hold this to move back up. So those are just things like I'm seeing in my brain that I'm processing, and this is just it drawn out for you guys. And that's really just like, it's not even anything groundbreaking. That's just like supply and demand, right? Support resistance. You're just looking at some like key levels to target. So kind of seeming like the bears might actually be taking over, because I don't know, it's tough. You look at this pattern, we had a big move, so I think we would have expected this to keep going higher, but it just flushed, and then it got bought right back up, and then we just saw back down. So we might actually be forming a bear flag here. If they do form the bear flag, I might take it short to go back down, because we didn't form it here, and we didn't form it here. So third time's a charm, right? Quote unquote. Unless it just wants to reverse right back up, then it does what it does. And seeming like it's wanting to do that, but I like it short. Plays aggressive. Want to see if this bear flag will play out here, and we go back down. So I'm playing this very aggressive, but I want to see if we will hold this bear flag here. Unless it's just reversal, then I am definitely screwed. Seems like that's what's gonna happen. We're just moving right back up. Just yeet. Reverse. 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 Everybody clap your hands. Let's see if we can hold this not reversal zone. See if the bear flag can play out here. Try to get the lows of this little area again, but bulls are coming in aggressive. ES is approaching again the top of the range. I don't like it. I'm not quite a fan of it. I'm being honest. Jeez, talk about a reversal. Might have been off more than I can chew here, but that is perfectly fine by me. Kind of feel this little gap right there. It'd be great if we can close under my entry, but probably not gonna happen. Bulls are coming in too strong. Whoa. Let's go check out what ES is doing. Whoa. Alright, stop fill taken out there. The bull was the bears. Is this the breakout? Are we gonna get it now? ES breaking out again. I'm not sold on it yet. This is the life of this account. Oh, looks like this was the breakout. ES is about to break out, so definitely taking NASDAQ with it. I think this will definitely kill the account. Talk about reversal here, though. Same pattern right here. Chop, chop. Came out. Alright, so we're done with this account. Jeez. What was that? 11 to... So that's a basically, I mean, 10 points. That's about 50 points. 50 unanswered points. That is absolutely, that's bonkers. You got 900s coming up here. Boys are definitely taking... Geez, that was a nasty just rally up though. But either way, we were going for broke. So this account, we only had about like $1,000 left, which wasn't much in it. So I'm glad I got that out of the way. So this one, we're up for 3. I think it might be good to walk away here because I've made money on this one. So we're 1 for 1. Could have been 2 for 2, but excuse me, definitely got a little bit greedy and wanted more the other one. But I'm gonna call it here. I'll take this 403 dub on this account. The drawdown is like this much, basically now 1596 or like 14 and some change. Because I think you basically have $100. If you have $100 is the drop. Oh, and now we're selling again. Time for it to reverse down. You know what? Maybe I'll be aggressive here. Maybe I'll do something. Nah, you know what? Oh, I'll keep it. We'll just go 1 for 1. How about let's be smart? But I'm gonna walk away with that 1 for 1. So this is a funded account. These are funded accounts. I'm not trading eval. So in case you guys are wondering, wow, this guy obviously can play around, but we are just gonna take it there. Take that little dub for the night. I mean, I still have tomorrow too, but I just kind of want to get on here and trade. So yeah, I mean, we'll end it here. If you tuned in, appreciate you tuning in. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell if you are subscribed, because we are doing a giveaway at 1,000 subscribers. Now, if you are watching this and you actually made it this far, hey, there might be giveaways in between now and 1,000 subscribers. So if you're a real one, you don't want to miss it. And I will let you guys know. I'm not just going to be like randomly, hey, let's do it. I will give y'all a heads up. But either way, you have a good night, and we will see you on the next